BONOSS Christmas promotion is ready. Please pay attention to the description below. In this video, I'm gonna introduce this BONOSS Citroën Wheel Bolt. Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give it a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Christmas is coming. In addition to decorating your Christmas tree, don't forget to prepare something special for your car. A BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 Citroën Wheel Bolt kit includes 20-piece wheel bolts, 20-piece shells, 4-piece locking bolts, a has 90mm shock key, a lock key. The BONOSS Citroën Wheel Bolt adopts a two-piece design. Shell part use high-strength aluminum alloy 7075T6, which has many excellent characteristics. The shells have two styles of high and short shells. The high shell is 55mm and the short shell is 38mm. There are 8 colors of the shell, which are red, gray, gold, black, purple, sky blue, deep blue, and silver. More color options. BONOSS wheel bolts are made by the forging process. The forging process is formed by continuously strong pressure extrusion, which brings excellent mechanical and physical properties to the bolt. The 12 petals shaped on the top are battened by a large tonnage machine at one time. Ordinary forging cannot form this pattern on the hard alloy steel SCM440, which further reflects BONOSS' super forging process. Installing Citroën wheel bolts is not only the way of experienced professional but also the pursuit of beauty and the attitudes of loving life. While getting a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. At the same time, the special slip and 4-lock wheel bolts are given to prevent the wheel from being stolen and improve safety. Beauty and safety are the most attractive feature of BONOSS Citroën Wheel Bolt. If you want to buy this BONOSS Citroën Wheel Bolt, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!